Hello? Okay, good. Sound is back. There we go. Alright, moment of truth. Apologies for all the notifications people might be receiving from me going live like 3 times in 10 minutes, but I've had to restart my computer, so that's why that has happened. We're going to... Probably this is the last time I will try run Docker. If this fails, I don't know, we might not try run XAgent anymore, but here we go, running Docker. This is good. I don't think we got this before. That's not good. I had a feeling this would happen. I might try Google the issue, I guess. I don't know if I've ever successfully ran Docker on this computer before, now that I think about it. Let's Google this issue. Docker desktop Windows 10 unexpected WSL error. I guess we could also test if WSL is even working on like PowerShell, because I did just update it. Yeah, it's running fine. I found the solution, and then they don't say the solution. Enable bias SVM mode. GG yourself. Restart. Open CMD and check WSL status. Okay, we can do that in PowerShell. WSL status. Ubuntu version 2. You will see default distribution Docker desktop. No, mine's Ubuntu. This on a Chinese developer platform. Open CMD with run as administrator. Run net sh winsock reset. I think this might fuck up my my like network completely, but we'll see. Hold on, let's see. Oh no, see, we're still live. We still good? Maybe, yeah. Seems okay. I didn't successfully reset. Sounds sketchy. Yeah, I found this on the Chinese dark web. Just run this. You must restart the computer. No, guys. No restart computer. We've been betrayed so many times. No. WSL unregistered Docker desktop. There is no distribution with the supplied name. I appreciate your suggestions though, Blizzard. Thank you. I don't wanna restart again. Come on. Why? No one's love heart reacted it either, so... Whoa, this is... Oh no, it's 23 hours ago. WSL set default Ubuntu 20. There is no distribution with supplied name. What's the WSL help? What kind of things do we have here? Set default, set version, terminate, unregister, list. Let's try list. We only have just Ubuntu. Ooh, debug shell. What's this? Debug shell. Docker is great, yes. I take back what I said about Docker being nice. Debug shell. We really need a service that lets us run these agents without having to install anything. You guys see World of AI came up with another new one. Maybe we should test that one. Is your virtual environment enabled on the BIOS? That could be the issue. That's what one of the dudes said here, right? Oh, wasn't here. Firewall thing, you reckon? Yeah. Did I click the right thing? Yeah, super smart AI. Let's see what this is.
Agents and AI agent. This was the craze this past week as we covered many different ranges of autonomous AI agents, ranging from Microsoft's AutoGen, which focused on creating highly intelligent others. Basically, you can do a lot with this as it's an all-in-one model. Now, this is something that relates to DB, which was another framework we covered on this channel.
Let's just have a look at it. Open agents. I feel like I might have seen this. Open code for development, full stack. So this can make full stack apps? No. Tutorial. Yo, Radical Roma, what's up? Sorry, can you rewind it back? Seems like, what's the exact issue? Probably bang my head against. Yes, so whenever I run Docker desktop, it stops, crashes, and goes unexpected. Oh my god, hold on. Let me fix this OBS thing and I can show you the error. Zoomed. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Unexpected WSL error. Unexpected error occurred while executing a WSL command. Common causes include access right issues, which occur after waking the computer and not being connected to your domain/Active Directory. Please try shutting down WSL and rebooting your computer. We've tried both. If not sufficient, WSL may need to be reinstalled fully. As a last resort, you might need to uninstall, reinstall Docker Desktop. Okay, we haven't tried reinstalling WSL, but we have uninstalled, reinstalled Docker Desktop. Maybe we should try reinstall WSL. Yes. Let's try reinstall WSO. Is there commands for this? Let's do this in command prompt. CyberJunkie has the exact same issue. Yes, let's fix it, I guess. Alright, this guy says WSL-L. WSL-L. Okay, we only have Ubuntu, so let's, and they say unregister it. Unregister Ubuntu. Unregistering. And then I guess we just run WSL install. And it's gonna reinstall Ubuntu, hopefully with less errors this time. Oh, I'm hungry. I've been fasting for how many hours? Like 16 hours. Just drinking matcha tea, which apparently doesn't break your fast. Cybersunk, he says, not sure what got fucked up, but I reinstalled it and done despicable things to it, but gave up in the end. Yeah. Seems like we are doing the exact same thing. Trying everything and then giving up. Happens more than I like to admit, unfortunately. Okay, installing this may take a few minutes. Failed. Please enable the virtual machine platform Windows feature and ensure virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. Dude, that might be the issue, as Blizzard said. It might be a BIOS thing. Virtualization in the BIOS. Features, apps and features, search, short, optional features. What feature do they say? Virtual machine. Okay, that's definitely not a thing here. Virtual machine platform. Virtual machine platform Windows. Have you had Docker running on this machine before? I don't think I actually have, so it could definitely be this. Virtual machine enables specific Windows 11 features. I don't have Windows 11. Okay. So it's probably a BIOS virtualization. What's my Asus Z390M BIOS virtualization. How to enable virtualization technology. main CPU IMX. Default is enabled, so it probably is enabled. Because I don't think I would have disabled this. Doesn't seem like something I would do. Is this even my BIOS? Virtual EMX. It's in the old menu. Programs and features in search. Programs and features. I don't have programs and features. Check this out. Oh, you can't even see this. Can you see it? No, you can almost see it. Apps and features? Yeah, I tried searching this. There was nothing under like virtualization or anything. Oh, I think this looks more like my thing. CPU enabled. Do I try this? I don't know. Start typing feature. FEAU. FEAU. FEA. Look, I did FEA. I'm telling you here, I'll show you. I'll copy paste my screenshot. Why can't I screenshot this? Okay, there we go. Look, this is what happens when I type FEA. Pretty sure that's the only option I have. Apps and features. And I really don't want to restart again, so I think we might just try AutoGPT as a did they provide a Docker file for AutoGPT? Let me have a look. Turn Windows features on or off. Oh yes, okay. Turn Windows features on or off. Great, thank you. Virtual machine platform, it's already on. Right? They said turn it on? Yeah. Yeah, it's already on. Thank you though. And Hyper-V. Yeah, I don't know. AutoGP. So I want to see if we can have something that we can interact with AutoGPT on a server kind of thing, like without having to install it. Why doesn't this exist? You can just check the repo I sent. It has a lot of AI. Where did you send it? I don't think I get links on YouTube, unfortunately. But you can send it in the Discord. Is it the E2B one? The E2B does have a lot of... they have like a list of all these agents. It's pretty cool. Fresh Like Mentor says, I'm overwhelmed by all the tools coming out. Yeah, for sure. There's a lot, but don't be overwhelmed, because I said this the other day to someone that said something similar. And the thing is, because there's so many coming out every day, you can just kind of sit back and just wait until everyone else figures out which one's the best one, and then start like going into that. Because every day the new one comes out, maybe the old one becomes like redundant or not as good. You know what I mean? Awesome AI agents. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, for sure. It's by E2B. E2B is like awesome. One of the leaders in the space of autonomous agents. They've been documenting all of these ones. They've made a nice little graph of all these agents. And yeah. we are wanting to see if there's no mention of Docker. AutoGPT Docker container. How to use AutoGPT using Docker. Set up and run AutoGPT. Docker Hub. Ooh. Docker Hub. Docker Pool. What's Docker Hub? This is cool. Build and ship applications anywhere. Ooh, how to run container from Docker Hub in VM. Is that a thing? Run Docker desktop. Docker Hub. Will ChatGPT know? Blizzard asks, I wonder how Agent GPT is. Yeah, they've made some improvements. Let's have a look. Whoa, this looks way different. It's in light mode? Do they still have a dark mode? What? Dude, this looks cool. Okay, do they have a blog? Agent GPT updates. Releases. Looks super cool. So July 19th, huh? It's actually quite a long time ago. July 19th. Let's see what's changed. Bum, 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 bum. Nothing big. They got backed by Y Combinator and Parachute Ventures. It's pretty cool. Templates. Oh, cool. They have templates. Doesn't look like they've added much functionality per se, though. UI looks great, though. Okay. How can I run a Docker container from Docker Hub in a VM using AWS? Is that a thing? Create an EC2 instance, install Docker, then pull and run a container from Docker Hub. Should we try that? I want to try this. Today is a Docker stream. Today is a Docker stream. Oh. Because I'm pretty sure with AWS you can run a VM with a Docker image. Let's have a look. Virtual servers in the cloud, EC2. Instances, launch instance. We're going to call this Docker test. And here you see they have a bunch of images. AWS, Mac. Do they have Docker? No. They don't have Docker. Oh, we can browse Doc. Nothing. Okay, maybe we need to still set the OS. Amazon Linux is so Ubuntu. Because I feel Ubuntu is kind of nice default. We'll do this free tier CPU performance. Allow SSH from anywhere, basic storage, advanced details. Okay. Adnan says check ECR and ECS. Yeah, so ECS is their container service, right? ECS. Container service, yep. What's ECR? Container registry. Oh. Is this like we can... ECR. Public registry. Is this like we can search repositories? These are all just... This is my one, right? How does this thing work? Share and deploy container software publicly or privately. Okay. Public gallery. Where do we search for? Here we go. Is there AutoGPT? Auto ops. Okay. What about if I just search GPT? Policy GPT. GPT demo. Interesting. ECR is a Docker version of 808s. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. But they don't have AutoGPT. If we ECS, if we create, let's create a new ECS test called AutoGPT. Ooh, we can do a serverless. I don't know how that'll work. Let's try it. Create. So this is a cluster. And then within the cluster, we can make individual containers. Why is it error? What? Their create cluster service is unavailable. What the fuck, AWS? Bruh. Adnan says you can create Lambda function via Docker image. But can we create a... Could we host a Docker container versus using a Lambda? Zip. We're losing him to the rabbit hole, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is very common for me to just search and try things until something sticks. Bro, what? Create failed. Their service is unavailable. Yep, I guess this is why people don't use ECS. Let's search if there's another service that host Docker hub. Deploy a registry. Is this? Yeah, Docker registry, I guess. Registry implementation for storing and distributing. Oh no, this is not it. Deploy from Docker hub. How do we do this? It seems like it should be so simple. Build a Docker image and push it to Docker hub. What about the next step? Take it from Docker hub and deploy it in a VM. Deploy from Docker. Here we go. This is DigitalOcean, right? Should we just try? Okay, let's try DigitalOcean. I feel like they do this well. Spaces in Hugging Face doesn't have anything related? No, that's more from models. We're trying to use Docker containers. It's a bit different. Zipperjopa says, well, you need a host server, usually Ubuntu server, then you install Docker. Yeah, it's looking like that. But I think with DigitalOcean, you can just host the container without having to specifically set up a VM. Like, it still sets up a VM for you, but look here. So we're in DigitalOcean. Now we can go droplets. I think droplets is a Linux-based VM. Each droplet is a new server. $4 a month. Create droplet. Sydney, is it more expensive? I don't think it matters. Ubuntu, general purpose, regular, cheap. Is that cheaper? Very cheap. SSH key. Might need to create a new SSH key. That's super annoying. But we're gonna just do that really quick. Bro, why can't I paste this? What the hell? Okay. Take a look at Hugging Face new space. Okay. I need to sign up for that. That's fine. Bro, what? Hold on. I'm surprised I don't have like a Google login. Create a new space. Spaces are Git repositories that host applications from ML models. You can choose a Docker template. I don't think this is what we want. I don't think this is it. Can you check if your virtual environment really enabled with Windows R, MS Info 32, and then expand components on the left side, then click Hyper-V. If it's not there, it's not enabled. Okay. Components. Where would I find Hyper-V? It was enabled in the features thing. You're getting the error too? Hold on, let's just try DigitalOcean here. How do we... Wait, what? Launch your app. Docker source. Okay, we're in the wrong apps. Okay, hold on, this looks promising. Create an app. Docker Hub. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Guys, check it out. Docker Hub, we can... here. Okay, so there's the AutoGPT Docker Hub. Let's see, is there an XAgent in Docker Hub? XAgent. No. AutoGPT. How many AutoGPTs are there? Ooh. Dude, the significant gravitas one has 100,000. Downloads. 300 stars. Must be good. Is there like comments and stuff? Nope. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Docker Hub, repository, AutoGPT, tags. We don't need tags. Looks good. Oh, environment variables. This can be changed later. I think we need a an open API key. Another way to check it without going to BIOS. Yeah, check it out. Send it to me. Open AI. Whatever. Okay. Oh shit. So it costs. See, this is what I said. This is one reason why no one else is doing it, because it's kind of expensive. $24 a month. But I'm gonna test it out for you guys, so we know what it will be like. And if it's that easy, we could probably set up a service where we programmatically spin up one of these Docker Hub AutoGPT things through a web app for anyone. So they can play with AutoGPT without having to install it locally on their machine. That would be super cool. That was the original aim of this whole exercise, and I think with DigitalOcean we might be able to do it. We will find out soon. Yeah. I might do a couple push-ups while this deploys. I'll be back. Whoa, what's this red text? Please set your open API key. Aborted. Could not determine. Open API key. If you don't have it, put it now. Ooh, maybe we need to set that. I'll let it continue deploying. I don't know. We shouldn't be getting these logs until it's continued deploying, so that's a bit interesting. Fail? Looks like it failed. The build was skipped. Failed during deploy phase. Okay. Could be because we need to set this in the thing. Yo, just NFT, I think I missed your messages. I only see you saying CMD. Let's have a look. I'm going to check my YouTube for you. CMD. Yeah, I don't think I got it. If it has a link, you might have to put it in my Discord or something. Okay, maybe we need to set the Open API key. Let's have a look at do they have a sample environment file? They don't. We need to find their quick start guide. End of example. Open API key. Okay, let's try this. Maybe if I add an API key, it will work. Settings, environment variables. Open API key, keys. Just do this off screen. Okay, I've added that key. Well, let me just try to deploy again, I guess. Actions, force rebuild and deploy. Clear build cache. All right. I feel like my past streams have just been me trying and failing to do stuff. It's a bit sad, but that's just life. Justin says you can download core info. Core info. Hey, what's that? Core info shows you the mapping between logical processes and physical processes. Oh, and the physical processor. NUMA mode and what socket? What? Bro, this is crazy. Dude, Windows has so much weird shit. Alright, we'll try it out. Bro, what the? What the hell? Okay. Core info -v. Hypervisor is present. See? Yo, Michael Sachs. This is so cool, dude. I hope you smash it together. Oh, thank you. That's so nice. Yeah, hypervisor is present. I'm pretty sure the BIOS setting would be correct as well. Is it still gonna be complaining? Oh no, work on the AutoGPT. So it runs fine. It's just, it doesn't give me a way to interact with it for some reason. That's pretty cool though that we got AutoGPT running on this server. But for some reason these are like still deployment logs and not runtime logs or something. You know what I mean? Because it's deployed as an app. Yeah, It's like, I don't know. I feel like did we close the... I need to close a whole bunch of these windows. We're gonna close everything. Digital Ocean deploy Docker hub SSH. Just deploy an Ubuntu droplet and let's set it up together. Fuck automation apps. No, we want to automate it. I mean, we could set up create droplet Docker. Is our hub? No. All right, let's just set up EC2. On AWS. It pushes you to spin Ubuntu anyway. Oh yeah, before I do that, actually, let me destroy that app so I don't get charged $24. I might still get charged $24 a month, but hopefully I can avoid that. Let's see, apps, droplets. Did I make a droplet? I hope not. C-line app. Destroy. Nice. Okay. Any droplets? No droplets. Okay, cool. All right. EC2. Launch instance. We didn't launch another one. AutoGPT, Ubuntu, cheapest settings, launch. Let's create a new pair. Windows. Okay. Cool. And now we're going to be launching this. Is there a way to like save EC2 image and launch from image? Is that a thing? AMI? Is that what that is? Create an AMI. Amazon machine image. Oh, cool. This is kind of what we want. Is there already an AutoGPT AWS AMI somewhere? Ooh, someone's asked, anybody running AutoGPT on AWS? You could run this on a Raspberry Pi. Not much detail. No one's really doing it. But that's cool that we can, so if we install everything we need for AutoGPT, then we can make an AMI, and then we can programmatically spin up AutoGPT servers, maybe. Adnan says create AMI from EC2. Yeah, exactly. That's the plan. That's the new plan. Oh, sweet, and we're running. That was pretty quick. All right, we can, could we just SSH through the web here? Is that any good? I remember it being shit, but we'll give it a go. How do we SSH in here? Connect SSH client instance connector. Let's try this. I think this is the web client. Linode level text. There's $100 bonus sign up link for you. Oh, sweet, thanks. I mean, we're already too late into AWS, but I have heard good things about Linode, so maybe next time. Sweet, we're in. We are in. Let's go. Let's follow the AutoGPT README. Actually, we'll do it like this. Okay. Quick start. What the hell? What happened to their tutorial? I feel like they just like have so much random shit. Oh no, I clicked the image. Okay. First, we probably just want to clone this. Getting started. Cloning the repository. Git clone. No. Dude, they've optimized this for the hackathon so badly that it's just hard to even run this normally. Wait. Should we try XAgent or AutoGPT? Bloody Pouch says, where are your hands? Right here. I guess it does cut off. What an irrelevant question. Bloody ouch. No, I appreciate all questions. There's no such thing as a stupid question. I'm sure he was just joking. Oh, Pacific Dome, how are you doing today? Oh, I didn't see that. I guess it did distract me. I'm doing well. Well, actually, we're doing quite poorly because everything seems broken. We tried to run XAgent, but we had heaps of issues with Docker. But we might be able to do Docker on Ubuntu. Is that going to be easier? What? Beta.Deep Wisdom AI actually developed an in-house platform for running AutoGPTs? What is this? What is this? I haven't heard of this. Login failed. Agent GPT as a service. What? You actually found one that's doing it? Oh, it's by MetaGPT. Or is that different? No, that's the same logo, right? MetaGPT. Yeah, it's the same. Oh, wow. Nice, dude. How did we not hear about this before? We need a login though. Can we just make something up? Nope. Nope. Deepwisdom.ai. How did you find that? That's cool though. That's definitely what we want. But guess it's not working yet. How much does he make? What am I building today? We're trying to run AutoGPT on like a server and have like a kind of web interface that people can just create their own AutoGPT server through the web app. How much do I make? Not a lot. Like, yeah, not a lot at all. Because I barely do any paid work these days. And then says it may not be legitimate to try any link. For sure. I definitely didn't put my actual password in that, so don't worry. I'm just a fellow obsessive GitHub trending scanner deployer. Let's go. 500k? I wish. I wish. Not even close. Okay. Let's just do AutoGPT because we feel like it would probably work. Git clone, paste. No, I didn't. Permission denied. Cool. Maybe we gotta use HTTPS. Okay, that works better. Bloody Pat says, why aren't you an employee at a company? There's no good companies that will take me. Like, I've tried to get some jobs, but yeah, I haven't been like too successful. And all the other companies, I just rather not work for them and do my own thing. No, definitely help out for free if it's something that I can just reply to with text. But if it takes anything more than like 10 minutes of my time, probably not. Zipper says, what do you do for a living? I do like freelance software development mostly. Yo, Abdullah, thank you for the like. ChatGPT can reply to text? Yeah, but there's some cases where my reply would be better. But for sure, if it's a question with ChatGPT, you could answer probably better off just asking ChatGPT. Okay, CD AutoGPT. Run create agent. No, how do we just run? This is not what we want. Oh, this is Forge. No, okay. AutoGPT readme. It's probably this. Yes, this is it. Yes. Okay. Download the latest release. Run the app. Docker. Uh-oh. Oh, for use with Docker. But let's just try run this after I make a thing. How do we oh, it doesn't say. Should we just try run it? Run dot s run dot sh. No such file. Run. Run agent pip3 not found. Oh, I don't have any of those requirements. Pip, for instance. Okay, let's see how we install pip. Install pip ubuntu. Install pip3 on ubuntu. It's like sudo apt and all this shit. This one. Probably should have done sudo apt get update. And then sudo apt get y install python 3 pip. You're building a payment app. I have the app built by someone on Fiverr. I'd like to sanity check for code. for sure. .run setup. Oh, thanks, Adnan. So configuring a $60 workplace template for clients. No, I do actually like custom, like full stack JavaScript web apps. Blizzard says the narrative nudges towards new nuances, perhaps a segue. Dude, Blizzard, is this actually you, or is this one of your automations that you've set up to reply based on that'd be really impressive based on the content. Oh my god, what is this? Which services should be restarted? I don't know. I just pressed enter. Uh-oh. No containers to be restarted. Sweet, we got pip. Run setup. Excellent. Thanks, Adnan. Coming clutch. Bloody Patch says he's probably effed up your backend. Gotta make sure there's no security leaks. What do you recommend? GitHub account is not configured to configure your GitHub account. Why do we need to configure a GitHub account? I don't think we need to. Let's just try to run the agent. Python. Do we have Python? Python 3? Wait. Which Python 3? Yes. Python 3 CLI .py -- help agent. I think go. Agent test agent. Wait, -- agent. Oh my god. We got pip. No dash? No dash where? With the agent? Just run. Bro, where are you getting this info? Why is it not in their docs? They're saying there's a ... help. -- help. They just say the same thing. Agent to create agents. Oh, no, okay, run agent without -- I get you. Okay, I don't know. Agent create test agent. Okay. Test agent already exists. Okay, test agent 2. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Adnan. Run agent start test agent 2. Oh, do we have to go in this arena? I'm new to this whole arena thing. Agent starting kill. Please add your API keys in the end file. Okay, let's do that. Bim.env. Is this even where it's meant to be? I guess so. Set up. Open API key cd. Compose. Where do they say? Get your key. They don't say anything about putting your API key. What the fuck? They just have. Why are these docs so bad? Here we go. Create a copy of env template. Where is the env template? There is no env template. Is it in front end? Oh, maybe. Oh, it's actually because it's a dot file. Vim dot and no env template. No, there is no such thing in the main AutoGPT folder. ls-la. It's not here, dude. It's not here. Sorry, you guys probably can't see this very well. There is no .env. Whatever, we'll just make it. I'm pretty sure. Oh shit. I'm pretty sure we can just figure it out. Open API key dash dash. Yeah, for sure. Thanks, Adnan. You're a legend. You are a legend. Hello. Where's my insert mode? Oh my god. We've broken Vim. What the fuck? Oh, it's just scrolling weird. Hello. Okay. Paste. Okay. Let me just bring this here. Paste. Okay. I think I did that. I think I did that correctly. Alright, let's try this again. With that run start command. No, what's the no poetry environment found. Poetry command not found. Bro. Why is this so annoying? I remember being pissed off at AutoGPT before for this. Pip install poetry? Setup is broken? Okay. I'll run setup again. What was the issue we had with setup before? I can't remember. Run setup. GitHub account. Why do we need a GitHub account? Pip install requirements. Try that too. Hold on, let me just try run it again with poetry. Still, I feel like installing poetry was kind of different. I think I remember I did it before. It's not with pip, yeah, it's like with curl. Latest version is already installed. Poetry not found. can be installed. Right, install Poetry Advanced. Add poetry to your path. Alright, people saw requirements. I think it's like in another folder. It's like in AutoGPTs? No. Wait, what's setup sh? Yo, did that do something? Nope. Let's see if this full path works. It does. So we need to somehow add this to my path. Right? How do we do that? Bash RC? Oh wait, hold on. Take a screenshot as a picture and ask ChatGPT about this using the picture. No, it's okay. I don't think that'll help. We just need to add this to the path somehow. It should be easy. Ubuntu add to path. A path set in bash profile. Profile. Export path. Yes, this is what we want. Export path. Oh my god, why is this in a new line? Oh, this is so cringe. Oh, this is so cringe. The Vim sucks. What about Nano? I don't know how to use Nano very well, but we can try. How do we go insert mode? Oh, you can just type. Okay, cool. Paste. Okay. Oh, okay, great. This is it. Oh, you guys can't see this. Sorry. I'm just adding poetry to my path, hopefully. That is the plan. We confirmed that I have it installed in this location. Paste. I just gotta add it to the path like that. How do we save this? Control S, Control Q, Control X, X. Control X. Save modified buffer. No. Let's see if that's saved. Yes, excellent. Okay, now we do source bash rc. Okay, now we have poetry. Can we run the mo freaking agent? No, still command not found. Poetry, what the hell? Oh, I feel like I didn't add it correctly. I needed to add it with the folder, not the actual file. Like that. Save. Quit. Okay. Source. Poetry. Yes, okay, we got poetry. Run. Nice. Nice. Come on. Come on. This is looking promising. It's installing all of these modules. So many modules. Crazy. Crazy. Thanks, Adnan. I couldn't have done it without you. AutoGPT Forge. Damn, we're running the Forge. Error. No module named WebDriver Manager. No, I don't want the web app. Oh my god. Agent starting on port 8000. Bro, how do we just run the normal AutoGPT without the web app and shit? This shit's so annoying. You saw Gypsy Kings in one of the modules? What? Oh man. How many? Oh, we've been streaming for over an hour. Wait, what if we run without any command line arguments? Does that work? Or are these docs outdated? They are outdated. To enter the arena, create start and stop agents. Install the module, WebDrive Arena, with pip3? Sure. Dude, why is it installing the thing every time I want to start it? When did they update this repository? I'm so confused. Yesterday. Oh, my trouble seems so far. Okay, let's try to install a WebDrive Manager, I guess. No, that's poetry. What the hell? WebDriver Manager. And we'll try run again. Quick start, the forge, the benchmark, the UI. This is so annoying. They've just like made this optimized for the hackathon, and you can't really understand how to run the normal AutoGPT anymore. What happens if we try to access port 8000 on this? Is that something we can do? Like if we just go to the IP and go port 8000, is that gonna do something? Is it public? Doesn't look like it. Optimize data usage, exactly. Alright, let's try to install this with poetry, I guess. Instead of pip3, is that gonna be a different thing? Could not connect. No arguments expected for install. Is it poetry add? How do we use public IP? Okay. Secure the. How do we security? How do we make the rules? Security groups? Okay, here we go. Manage inbound rules. Add rule. HTTP port range 80. No. Custom. Custom. All traffic. Yes, all traffic from anywhere. Save rule. Excellent. What about outbound rules? All traffic from anywhere. Okay, cool. So it's completely public. Let's see if we just refresh this. Actually, we're not running the thing anymore. Seem to have maybe installed this web agent. Update your WebDrive manager to the latest version. Pip install upgrade WebDrive manager. Check the logs. They might whisper the secrets. Sure, I'll try that. Verify and update the path. Is this ChatGPT answering questions, Blizzard? Very suspicious. Okay, we got the same error, but let's see if I can connect to the port. Because it does say it's running on that port. No, still can't connect. Oh. Alright, we'll try Blizzard's upgrade WebDriver manager. That's dash manager. Shouldn't it be underscore? I guess not. Kind of treats them as the same thing. Indeed, I knew it. I knew it. Run as administrator. Oh, okay. Sudo run. No poetry environment found. Oh, when I run sudo, poetry doesn't like to work. That's weird. I'm your personal assistant. Thanks, Blizzard. It's actually really helpful. But man, these things are hard to install. I think I might give up on this now. Let's just try to think about what we will do next time. I'm thinking we try to use the Docker method to install XAgent on a Linux server on AWS. That could be cool. But yeah, we can see why this service doesn't exist, because it's super hard to get working. But I feel like once you get it working on one machine, you can just create the image, the AMI, and be able to spin up subsequent machines a lot easier. In theory anyway, it's probably a lot harder in practice. Why not run Linux locally? That's a great point too. We could do that next time as well. Actually, one of the main reasons actually Blizzard is because once we get it working with AWS, we can make an image of that working state, and then in the future we can spin up these images. So we can make a web app where people can sign up and make their own server to interact with, a server for each user, just by like spinning up the image we've created. That's why. Yeah, desktop Linux also comes with a whole bunch of headaches, especially with streaming. That's completely correct. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna leave that there. Thank you guys so much for all the help, all the comments, all the engagement. Another day where we didn't come out with great success, but I hope we learned a lot. I think I did, about Docker and Linux and AWS and etc. Hope you guys were entertained, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Much love, Zipper. Thank you. Stop EC2 instance. Yes, definitely. We will do that as well. Contact me. I got spare room on my home server. Okay, thank you. I think we'll be fine with AWS. I'll do research in new repos for the meantime. Oh, thank you guys so much. Thank you, Blizzard. Yeah, let me stop this instance. Actions. Terminate.